Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to solve the problem of WhatsApp calls and a final solution for all WhatsApp calls. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who does my blood now. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. Then go to the applications, then click on the WhatsApp application. If you do not find it, write in the application's search engine and WhatsApp. After that, click on permissions, then give it the permissions. All the permissions it needs for the phone's microphone and everything. Then, after that, you go back, then click on notifications and click on bodies with all notifications. After that, you click on exit and click on energy usage details. After that, you click on this option, then click on activate this option by deactivating this option so that the operation is not restricted and energy is saved, thus causing you a problem in WhatsApp calls. Now my friend, I have done all these settings and did not and restart your phone. If you find the problem, do not the solution is to go to the last step, my friend, which is to go to the settings, then go to the applications, then go to the applications again, then click on the three small dots above here, then click on reset, and all the default application settings will be reset, and thus the problem will be solved for you. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from the phone, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.